Raymark Air Conditioning and Heating is ready to handle all your commercial HVAC and refrigeration needs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We provide sales, service, installation, and maintenance to customers in Houston and the surrounding areas. Our experienced technicians are factory trained to service any and all makes and models of commercial air conditioning units, heating units, ventilation systems, and refrigeration units. For guaranteed same-day service, call Raymark 281-354-7018.